Grab your MyView Literacy Book 1.5 and open it to page 130 and 131. Seasons to season. In springtime, I smell the sweet air. In summer, I feel the sun's glare. In autumn, I hear the crisp leaves blow. In winter, I see the falling snow. How do we know when the seasons are changing? Interact with the text means you read and respond to it in a way that helps you understand it. Interact with this poem by writing about a season using one of the 5 senses. So the 5 senses are touch, smell, hear, sound, and taste. So let's look at our poem again, season to season. In springtime, I smell the sweet air. We have smell. In summer, I feel the sun's glare. Touch. In autumn, I hear the crisp leaves blow. We have hearing. In winter, I see the falling snow. So I'm going to write about winter because it's my favorite season. And I'm going to write about how it feels cold. In winter, I feel the snow chill, because snow feels chilly. Go ahead and turn in your book to page 142 and 143. I can read about the seasons. This is a fictional story for this week. Fiction is a made-up story with characters, setting, plot, and a theme. A theme is the message or big idea. A fall day. We have a character, Seth, looks outside. The leaves on the big tree in his front yard are changing. We have our setting. Where is it happening? It's in his front yard. Seth grabs his coat and rushes outside. It's a great fall day to play outside. We have our plot, what's happening in the story. So we have our character, our setting, and our plot. Here's our fictional anchor chart. Fictions are made up by the author. They have a theme, a lesson. They have characters, who's in the story. They have setting, where and when is the story happening. And they have plots, what's going on. Today we're going to read my autumn book. This is a fictional story. The air is crisp. The sky turns gray. Is autumn really on the way? Downstairs I rush. I can hardly wait to go outside and investigate. In a corner of the garden shed, a spider spins a silken thread. Hello, spider, what are you weaving? Is it true that summer is leaving? Crickets chirping in the clover, another sign that warm days are over. This sounds like a poem. I heard lots of rhyming words. Underline the words that tell the topic or what the text is about. So what is the text about so far? Well, it's describing autumn, isn't it? Autumn's on the way, and that summer is leaving. And what she is hearing, seeing, and feeling. A chilly blow blows. A chilly wind blows. I zip my jacket. From the treetops I hear a racket. The buzzing gets louder. It fills the air. Cicada is warning us, better beware. Summer is leaving. Autumn coming. Woodpecker agrees, rap-a-tap drumming. Chipmunk scampers past, seeds packed in its cheeks, finding food for the upcoming weeks. Squirrel digs a hole to bury its treasure. Squirrel is expecting a change in the weather. Highlight the details that tell autumn is coming. So what on this page is telling us autumn is coming? We have a chilly wind. That happens in autumn. It gets colder. What else happens? The squirrel is burying food. The chipmunk is gathering food. And the cicada is chirping because it's leaving. Caterpillar knows it's time to cocoon. Kuryak, blue jay cries, autumn so soon? Geese honk above, a fly in formation. Geese honk above, fly south in formation. Trees dressing up for the fall celebration. Context clues are words and pictures that help readers figure out what a new word means. What does the word cocoon mean? What part of the picture helps you figure that out? So remember when we talked about context clues before, and we said that the picture could be your context clue? So what is the caterpillar's cocoon? Right here. The caterpillar is going into the cocoon, and it's covering him up completely. What do you think is going to happen? Maybe he'll turn into a butterfly. Dogwood shows off a new crimson gown. Oak changes into a suit of rust brown. Ash cloaked in yellow. Maple wears red. Aspen a crown of gold on its head. Together they whisper and sway in the breeze, shaking loose acorns and batches of leaves. Swirling and twirling, leaves spinning around, a whirlwind of color that blankets the ground. Highlight the words that describe what happens to the tree's leaves. Use the pictures to help you. What's happening to the tree's leaves? They're changing color, aren't they? We have crimson, we have brown, yellow, red. Now normally what color are the trees? Right, they're usually green, but they're changing to different colors for autumn. I search high and low, find one of each, a ginkgo, a willow, an elm, birch, and beech. Summer is leaving, fall's on its way, the seasons are changing, no time to delay. I dash up to my room and open the door, empty my pack, spread things on the floor. I find a jar for the acorns, fetch scissors and glue, a pad of paper and crayons too. I decorate pages arranged to make space. There it's all done, everything is in its place. Underline the text that helps you figure out the theme or big idea. So what theme is going on in this story? I think she likes fall because she's gathering things from the fall and turning them into pages to decorate. When crickets no longer sing late at night and the world outside has turned cold, black, and white, I'll lie by the fire with my book and remember until autumn returns once more in September. Highlight the details that tell winter is here. The world outside has turned cold, black, and white. See the snow? Turned it white. All right, we're going to turn the page to page 162 and we're going to answer this page. A theme is the central message or big idea of the text. Details and your own experiences can help you determine the theme. Draw a picture of the theme from my autumn book. Use what you underlined in the text to help you determine the theme. So remember, the theme is the lesson that the person is learning. What lesson did she learn? Right, she's learning that the seasons are changing. Because on every page it's talking about how the seasons change. And what did she do about the seasons changing? She got ready by making a book. So she's getting ready for the seasons to change. So how can we draw a picture of her getting ready for the seasons to change? I'm going to draw a tree and leaves falling down and her catching the leaves for her book. Okay. She is getting ready for the seasons to change. let me add color to my picture. Because if it's autumn, I can't make the tree green, so I'm gonna make the tree orange. Because some of the trees turn orange in the autumn. There we go. And she has black hair. Do I have black? All right. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it.